Hi everybody, my name is Elizabeth Taylor and I am the face behind your Tenant Pulse surveys that you receive every 3 months. I wanted to come on here so that you could put a face to a name and to thank you all for your time and that continued commitment to making a change in Wales for yourselves and for future generations. You really are making a difference and I would love to tell you just how much on a Zoom call. It would be great to discuss our most recent findings from our survey, how environmentally friendly are you? So I've set up a Zoom event for us to have a chat and to discuss this a little bit more. The Zoom call will take place on Sunday the 27th at 5 p.m. and I'll put the link in the email, but I really hope that you can make it. I'll announce the prize winner for this survey then, and we can just have a chat and get to know each other a little bit more. So I hope to see you there. Take care. Bye-bye.